Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to demonstrate the impact of density on the buoyant force. Buoyant force is the force that is experienced by a body when it's partially or completely immersed in a fluid. So whenever a body is immersed completely or partially in a fluid, then it experiences an upward force that's equal to the weight of the body displaced by the body. Weight of the body displaced, weight of the water or fluid displaced by the body. So for example, I'm having this egg and I'm placing it in this pure water. When I'm placing it in this pure water, the amount of water displaced by the egg, the weight of the water displaced by the egg will be equal to the buoyant force. So in this case, the water has less density, so buoyant force is less because the weight of the water displaced is less. It's not equal to the weight of the egg. Therefore, it will not float. It will sink. But here I have made a saline water in which I have placed 40 spoons of 4 tablespoons of salt in it, and the density of this brine water is obviously more than the pure water. Now, if I will place an egg here with some stirring, so that because it's a saturated solution actually, so the solubility of it is less because the water is not so hot. We didn't have hot water right now. Now let's try to do this. Now you can see the egg is not sinking, it's floating. Why it's floating? Because the buoyant force in this case is more. Why it's more? Because the density of the brine water or the saline water is more. Therefore, the weight of the fluid displaced is equal to the weight of the egg in this case. So the level up to which it has immersed, that creates a state of equilibrium. That is, the weight of the body is equal to the weight of the brine water displaced. That's why it comes up. There's a clear demonstration of the fact that buoyant force depends on the density of the body. That's why it's easy to float in seawater. It's easy to swim in the seawater than in the fresh water. Thanks for watching.